Welcome back to NBK Tech World. This lesson is a follow-up to the previous lesson about string concatenation in JavaScript. I would like to give you an alternative for string concatenation, and that is the string interpolation. String interpolation is something actually new in the JavaScript version ES6, so-called ECMAScript 2015, and it makes things a little bit more convenient and follow other programming languages patterns for string interpolation. So let's have a look at it. So we're going to do the same example we had before. If you don't remember, let me recall here. We had this message, hello, my name is whatever and I am whatever years old, and where these values were actually blanks that we had to substitute with the value coming from a variable, in this case the variable for the name and the variable for the age. So we wanted to display this message in the console, and we use console log to do that. Now what we did before was using concatenation using the plus sign, right? So we had to break things apart, have the string here followed by the variable, followed by a string, followed by the variable, followed by the string. So there's actually a way now to do that in JavaScript so that you don't have to break the string apart into smaller pieces to actually substitute the value of a variable right here, okay? So the way we're gonna do that, it's called string interpolation, okay? Interpolation. And to do that, we will not use a single quote for the string. Instead, we're going to use the backtick. If you have an American keyboard, the backtick is the one right under the tilde, which happens to be typically under the escape key in the case of for the Mac, next to the number 1 key. Okay, so it's this guy right here. You see the backtick? So we're gonna use that guy instead of the single quote, okay? Because the backtick in JavaScript will allow us to do the string interpolation. So if you don't have that, it will not work. So make sure you're typing the backtick. So let's go. So we're gonna do the following. We're gonna do the console log as we did before, and instead of using the single quote, we're gonna use the backtick. Backtick, paste the text you want to print to the console, and then what we do in the blanks is the following. You go to the blank, whatever value from a variable you want to substitute, and you're going to do the following. You're going to put a $, open braces, curly braces, and inside this curly braces you have to say the name of the variable whose value you want to substitute here. In this case, the variable is called name. Okay, we defined it previously. If you go up here, we define name, a const name as my name or your name, whatever you want, and const as age. I made it up, 35. Okay, and then we use those variables here, and their values are going to be substituted here where this $sign with the curly braces is. Okay, so let's do the same for the other blank. The other blank is for the age. $, open and close curly braces, and then inside you have to say the name of the variable. In this case, the variable is called age. So age holds the value right now 35. So you expect 35 to be substituted here. For name, my variable has the value my name, which will be substituted here. Okay, so this is called string interpolation. Let's finish it up with the closing. Oops, actually I already had it in another line. Finish it up and enter. Okay, so hello, my name is my name and I am 35. Notice the value of the variable age is substituted here, years old. Okay, so this is string interpolation using the backtick in JavaScript ES6. Okay, make sure when you try this you always have the latest version of a modern browser because they should support the ES6 notation. Okay, if you're using a really old version of a browser that does not even support ES6, this might not work. Okay, anyway, so that's the string interpolation of the backtick, and with that, we end this lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. And until the next time, bye.